Take a ride in the 2022 Forte. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, driver airbag. Your new ride is just a phone call away.